Welcome guys, one into Peppa Pig, the new car. Welcome to the let's see, Peppa Pig. Oh, what again? I'm a pig. Is it money from the bush? Is it mommy pig? Oh. The new car.
Today, Peppa and her family are going for a drive in their red car.
Shall we have the roof?
Oh well,
Yes, please.
Is everybody ready?
Ready? Let's go! Whee!
Car.
I like a car.
Car loves us too.
What's that too? Baby. I'm never car broken.
What's wrong, Daddy?
I don't know.
Let's take it to Grandad Dog's garage. He can fix it.
That's a good idea.
Oh, I was supposed to work on
Dog runs
Grandad Dog. I will.
very good at mending cars.
Said.
Oh dear, Daddy Pig. Your car is not
I said. Oh
Granddad dog?
Yes.
no! Awesome.
But it will take
My
all
goodness.
day.
Oh.
I
We
want.
wanted to go for a drive in our car.
Don't worry, you can borrow this new car while I fix yours.
Hooray!
Thank you, Granddad dog.
Would you like the roof down?
Yes, please.
I'll just press this red button.
Let's button.
What a clever car.
What a clever.
When you come back, I'll
Whoa.
fix your car.
Oh.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Peppa and her family like the new blue car.
There's so many buttons
It's
in
a
this new car.
button.
What does the green button do, Daddy?
Let's see.
Magic window.
Magic window. Oh well.
Daddy, make the magic windows go down.
There we go.
What does the blue button do?
I don't
Oh no! Received. Oh no! Oh no! No!
I love this new car.
Onion car.
No, we can't keep it, Peppa. We've only borrowed it for today.
Oh,
Oh no.
Oh no! The storm!
I'll just put the roof up. Now, which is the button to close the roof?
Beep.
Silly me. Aha! This must be the button.
Wah!
Your car has squirted
Ee.
with water.
silly Daddy, that's not the roof.
This button. Oops.
Oops! Oh no! Oh no! The car! No! No! Hey!
But now it's stopped raining.
Can we open the roof again?
Yes. Which button was it?
The red one.
The red one! Hooray!
Grandad Dog has fixed the car.
Fix a car.
Your car is fixed.
Hooray!
Thank you, Granddad dog. And keep the change.
Thank you, Daddy Pig. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye!
It's good to get our old car back again.
I like the new car, but I like our old car better.
And I think our old car likes us too.
Eh,
Don't you?
Hello. Oh, ha, 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 ha.
George, you're doing it all wrong.
Goodbye. Bye.
This is how to catch a ball.